Alrighty. So I guess this is an introduction to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be doing like a POV drive of my Dodge Charger. It's very dirty. All it has is a resonator delete. That's it performance wise. I mean, looks, it has like a black hood and all that, but yeah, let's start her up. Show you guys the exhaust. Oh yeah, I need to lube up the active exhaust, but I mean, yeah, and then we have the star headliner and all that, but let's drive these back roads. I guess I can give you guys some insight on myself. I'm currently 17. I do pay for this car myself and any of the modifications that are on it. I'm gonna shut up here in a second, but essentially I just wanted to say, like, this channel is not only going to be about this car. I mean, it is going to be about this build, but you know, at my house we have a 80-year-old truck going on, but also other people's builds and kind of interviewing them about theirs. But as far as this video, it's just going to be a POV drive and let you guys enjoy the back roads and whatnot of Texas. So without further ado, here we'll open up the exhaust. Sound clip to go off of, but yeah, I mean, these back roads are right next to my house, so I was like, let's just film a little POV drive. I don't know exactly how many people are into this kind of thing, but I know me personally, I watch them a lot. I guess just for a little bit of context for anyone who doesn't watch these kind of videos, just so it's not like, oh my god, like, why is he so quiet? It's a lot of people enjoy the sound of driving, I guess. So I'm just trying to, you know, I'm doing my best to shut up. I talk a lot, but yeah, let me shut up again. Bird. Okay. I feel I should also mention, you know, I mean, this car is enough for me, and it's a ton of fun on back roads and whatnot, but, you know, I'm not going to be doing ridiculous or stupid things, you know. At the end of the day, like, I would hate to hurt someone else, just for something selfish. So it's not gonna be like me doing 100 on back roads and whatnot, you know. Like, I'll accelerate quick, but you're really not gonna see me go that fast. Find a good back road, I would love to show y'all launch control. And I guess really depending on how the camera battery is, maybe I can try to put together a little cinematic clip, but if I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I doubt it. The battery life on the GoPros isn't very long, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I found a little empty road to show y'all how launch control works. So you're gonna hit that little activate launch control. Sometimes you have to hold it. So it's activated, so you're gonna press down the brake, hit the gas. As you can see, my RPMs are sitting at 1600, and then just go. So as you can see, I mean, it works okay. I mean, that shift from first to second was really hard, but you know, it works pretty good. This car is, again, I'm 17. It's plenty of fun for me. It's you know, but it also makes for a great daily. That's what I really like about it. I don't like to push it super hard all the time, so you know, it's pretty chill. But I ended that last clip. I don't want to just have me sitting at a light be the whole thing. So, and that launch wasn't even in sport mode or anything. I think that's why the shift was so hard. But over there you have a bunch of speed shops and whatnot. Hopefully, I really want to do the Diablo tuner, and if I do, I'm going to make a video on that going in, and also the performance and kind of a review. And then after that, I plan on getting long tubes. Haven't decided what kind yet. And then probably getting it custom tuned with probably like a J green. See how that goes. For some reason, you know, a lot of places avoid tuning Hemi engines. So I feel like that custom tuner would be kind of the way to go when it comes to tuning this car. So we'll see. Pretty Challenger. So we'll see about that. Like, not if, but when. I mean, I just spent a good amount of money getting camera gear and whatnot, so we'll see how it goes. But it'll definitely come sometime soon. Out here, like where I'm at, I think it's like Fulshire area. Honestly, I wouldn't be able to get anywhere if it wasn't for my maps. But it's a beautiful area. Like over there, you know, there's some really pretty nice houses, and also just a ton of open land, and which is kind of optimal for the kind of video I'm doing today. Just relaxed. You know, it's drizzling here and there, but it's a nice environment. But you know, I don't want to drag this video on super long. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start heading home, and at the end of the video, which is probably gonna be in like 10 seconds, I'm gonna talk about kind of go more into depth about what this channel's about, and maybe show y'all some of the cars in my house. But yeah, thank you. I would like to apologize for my past self for kind of just rambling on, but what I did want to say that I didn't really cover on was kind of that this channel was mostly made to appreciate all kind of builds. You know, I want to do a lot of POV drives, but at the same time I want to give tutorials on like what I'm doing to my car, and hope that I can help some of y'all out. Do kind of like ask people about their builds, that kind of thing, and more importantly, just show love around the car community, because a lot of people love to hate in the car community. Is what they do. And I kind of want to even things that maybe I don't personally like, go and interview the person that owns them and ask them about their build, what inspired it and whatnot. But that's going to be the end of the video. I would like to say, if you enjoyed the video, I would deeply appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. But yeah, just want to say, have a good rest of your day, night, whatever it is, and thank you for watching.